Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Patty, and if you're new here, my channel name is Patty Klug 1975, and if you visited before, landed on my channel, or you know me, hi, welcome back. Oh my goodness, it's been a day. We're gonna try and keep this pretty short. It's been a Sunday before a Monday. That's not looking promising at all. So, I woke up with a toothache, went to urgent care, took 4 hours to get my prescriptions. So, not so much for the pain, because it's still there, but for the antibiotic. So, we're really hoping this works and doesn't make me ill. Anywhoosies, if you're wondering about my makeup tonight, I was going to do a get ready with me, and that just didn't happen. I do have plans in the future for a get ready with me, and it involves this and this, so not my colors, and possibly a blonde wig. So if you'd like to see that, leave a message in the, or a thumbs up, or a smiley face rolling its eyes, or something like that in the comments. And let me know. But welcome back. We're going to do a Boxycharm / Ipsy, whatever they're calling themselves this month. The box says Ipsy. My bill says Boxycharm. And the little magazine in here says Boxycharm. And it's the Return to the Wild, which explains my hair. So, we got ready with Granny's Beauty boxes. I'm sorry, Pam. Granny Beauty and Boxes over 65. She was doing a Laura Lee unboxing mystery box, which I did not purchase, and I'm slightly regretful because they had the whimsical nude palette in that box, and I don't have that palette. So yeah, something in my shopping cart. So thanks. But I got ready using my Laura Lee Los Angeles and my Manny MUA makeup this evening. And this is what came of it. Hopefully it's hiding the swelling that's in my cheek. It is what it is. But we are going to go into our Ipsy Boxycharm, which is whatever the hell you want to call it, box. This runs about $29 a month. Is it worth $29 a month? Yes, absolutely. Am I always super thrilled with what I get? Not so much. But you know, if I'm not going to use it, I have siblings that might use it, I have friends that could use it, and I sell on eBay. So, it might end up there. But I do pay for this box myself. I'm not sponsored in any way, but I would be happy to be on their PR list. I'm not going to hold my breath. So we are going to begin this evening with our add-ons. And there are 2 add-ons in this box where there should have been 3, but I already gave one away. I ordered 3 of the Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes. Does not say it's not a perfume, so I'm assuming it's a perfume. But they look like this. They are simply the bigger size samples that you can receive. Well, you wouldn't receive a sample like this in the mail. Like, that's a big difference. I think that's a Joe Malone. But I purchased 3 of these. I gave one away. I really like the scent on my mother. I tried it on myself, and not so much. It's just not me. But it smells good. Don't get me wrong, it smells great. But, yeah, it's my mama. So she'll get one, and somebody else might get one as a gift for Christmas or their birthday, because that comes first. Next we're going into, I think that this was a choice. Not positive. But it is the Berries and Dreams Violet DeVos palette. Now, the Boxycharm paper doesn't tell you how much these are worth, or MSRP, or oh yes it does. I lied. It's saying $37. Not the most expensive palette I've received, not the cheapest. So, but that basically, it's paying for your box. So, and it's very pretty. Take off that little shiny bit. That is the color story. We have some mattes, and we have some shimmers. I don't see any glitters, which is good. Very, very lovely. I'm not going to swatch this yet because I don't know when I'm going to get into it, and I don't want to start the beginning of the end with these palettes. Or it could also end up as a gift, because I do have a lot of palettes with these colors. But it's very lovely. Definitely something I would wear. It's kind of leaning towards what I'm wearing right now. Next, we have Famu. My lights are like blowing everything out. We have Famu, and this is a Camellia elixir oil with antioxidants. With antioxidants, or scent security. Huh. Work a bit of Famu Camellia elixir oil on your wrist or neck, then spray your fragrance directly over the top to give the scent something to cling to. I've never heard of this. Just be sure to choose a perfume that doesn't clash with the oil's natural floral fragrance. Okay then. So that is Famu for you. Or for my mother. I don't know. This is not on here. That's funny. They tell you about some things, but not everything. I chose the El Maquillage. And this is a Lip Service High Shine Lip Glaze. And it's 7 milliliters. It's heavy as anything. My goodness. Most of their products are, though. I've received several in the last couple months. I think a mascara and an eyeshadow palette, and it's got some weight. This is what this looks like. It's a very pretty packaging. It feels like glass. I believe it is glass. So, hoo-hoo. Let go. That is the color. It's more of a flat applicator. Not so much doe foot. It's a very light color. This might be gifted. I know somebody that actually, well, I haven't tried their products. I might try out the eyeshadow, but I do know somebody that really, really likes El Maquillage, so that might be going to her. Next, and this is on my little newspaper thingy, this is the Ciate London olive. No, it's not. Huh. That's weird. This is the olive palette. I don't know if this was a choice or if this just came with it, but I'm okay with it. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if I have this one already. I'll have to look. But that is what that looks like. We have greens, we have golds, we have neutral, like peach and terracotta shades, brown, a lovely beige transition shade. So it's a general all-in-one palette. You can see doing several looks out of this. Something to think about taking on vacation with me, because I'm getting out of this town and going like 3 towns over for my vacation. I need a break. So, but I might take you guys along with me. I'm heading for the Poconos. Fancy, huh? We have a timeshare up there that we purchased many moons ago, like when our oldest was a baby. And yeah, so we're taking a break. Okay, and the last thing in my Boxycharm box is another fragrance. This is by Ellis. I know that says something below it, but I can't read it. But it comes in this lovely Tiffany blue box. It's really blown out. It says salt. I haven't tried this yet. Oh, I hate damaging the darn boxes though. Okay. Let's check out salt. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. And it's a spray. We're going to spray. Huh. That's strong. Kind of smells salty. Not what I was thinking it would smell like, though. I don't know if I like that. It's very strong. So, yeah. There's that. Glad I didn't spray that on directly. Sorry about the hair. It's just a mess. Okay. So, in this box we have the Salt by Ellis fragrance. We have and I put it back in the little bit of bubble wrap, the only bubble wrap in the whole box. We have the Ciate London Olive Palette. We have the Berries and Dreams Violet Voss Palette. We have the Femue, F-E-M-M-U-E, Femue. I guess it's a fragrance enhancer or something to keep it on longer. And we have the El Maquillage lipstick, lip service. So that is that. And then my add-ons, the Juliet Has a Gun. So, and these add-ons, I think that they were $3.50 a piece. And I only got the 3 of them. So, it's not a terrible price. It's larger than a free sample. If you don't go out much, it's going to last you a while. But that is it. That is my Boxycharm Ipsy box for the month of August. Picks are coming up the first week of September. So, we'll see what the offers are then. If you like this kind of content, please tap that like button. If you'd like to see more of it, I'd appreciate you subscribing and joining our family. I am going to start adding things to the community page. I do have plans in the future for different things, not just makeup. We're going to do lots of things on this channel. So let me know what you think. And thank you for stopping by. You guys have a great week.